Hey folks, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas, and I'm not in Las Vegas today. Instead, I'm in Gulf Coast Vegas. Specifically, I'm in Biloxi, Mississippi, inside the Beau Rivage Hotel. The Beau Rivage is built to look very much like the Bellagio in Las Vegas. Now, it's a little bit smaller, and it's obviously got some other differences, but that's exactly the thing they're going for. So I want to see how much Gulf Coast Vegas is like regular Vegas. That means this will probably be about the fifth in a five-part series of videos on here. And what I want to go back to is something from classic old school Vegas. I want to go to the buffet. So what I'm going to do in just a minute is go inside the buffet, have breakfast, and tell you what it's like. Sit tight, thanks for coming along, and I'll be right back. So folks, I'm looking back towards the entrance. That's where I checked in. And that is the VIP check-in over there. Both of the lines were really short at 8 a.m. when they opened. And as you can see, this isn't as large as some of the buffets in Vegas. It's got everything that I can imagine that you would want for breakfast. So first, I'm going to show you a section of the buffet which is closed right now, which I'm going to assume is open for lunch. So your southern staples, your barbecue, all of that sort of stuff. Now coming around, it's breakfast time. It's a Monday morning. It's now about 8:25. Oatmeal, creamy cheesy grits because it's South Mississippi, so of course creamy grits without cheese, and sausage and pepper gravy. Biscuits, I'm wondering how fresh those biscuits actually are in a country fried steak or chicken fried steak. Some hash browns, you've got a made to order omelet station there, and I've watched for a little while, the lines there are never all that terribly long. So coming back around here, you've got some more of your traditional breakfast favorites. You've got sausage patties and bacon, some fried pork chops, which is something I absolutely have to try, some scrambled eggs, a loaded scrambled egg, some crepes, what is that? Ooh, chorizo and egg empanadas. I may have to try those. A few breakfast pizzas. They do have that hot pizza oven right there, which I think would be a nice touch. I don't know, that feels to me more like a lunch thing, but yeah, I can absolutely see a breakfast pizza. Pancakes, a sausage, some classic eggs Benedict. There we go with the focus. The eggs Benedict look really good. They say they have corned beef hash. They do not. That is a ham steak, but those ham steaks look really good. A hash brown casserole, another egg station. And let's see what they've got over here. So it looks like over here, they've got a fairly traditional salad bar type arrangement. Looks like they were getting set up for smoked salmon. Yep, they were. Says it right there. There is no actual salmon on there, but that's fine. Several kinds of pastries. Do they have soup at this hour? Huh. They do, in fact. They have soup at this hour. A regular salad bar, some fruit. And then the dessert tray, which is set up mostly as a breakfast pastry tray, but looks phenomenal. So again, folks, it's not that it's huge, it's just that it's everything that you're really going to want for breakfast. It's probably one of the best options that you can find in the area. What I'm going to do now is get my plate, go sit down, and I'll show you what I selected. So folks, I just got back from the buffet, and let's talk about the delicious things I found. I always try to start with a little bit of fruit for the sake of variety, but given the evening I had last night, I'm interested in fried pork fat. So I got a fried pork chop with some sausage gravy, a chicken fried steak with some sausage gravy, and a biscuit with some sausage gravy. The drinks are included on the buffet, and unlike a lot of the places in Vegas, it is still waiter service. So my hostess came, she brought me my coffee, my orange juice, including quite possibly the world's largest glass of orange juice. I'm going to sit down and enjoy my breakfast, and I will come back in just a minute and tell you what it was like. Hey folks, so I've just finished the breakfast that I started earlier, and most of it was fantastic. That fried pork chop was on point. It was seasoned incredibly well. It was done to the right point of doneness and tenderness and juiciness. The pork chop was great, the biscuit was good, the sausage gravy was really good, and the fruit was nice and fresh cut. The coffee wasn't spectacular, but the coffee was fine, right? Like, it was perfectly good buffet coffee. There were a couple of things that were a little bit disappointing. The chicken fried steak, no self-respecting Texan would order. Like, that was a prefabricated patty. Also, that giant glass of orange juice is giant because it's watered down pretty badly. So on balance, what do I think about this buffet? I like it, right? Like, it's a nice buffet. It's probably my favorite way to eat breakfast if you're here in Biloxi, unless you're going to go across the street to the Waffle House, which will always have a soft spot in my heart. It costs 20 bucks, I think right at 20 bucks to get in. You can collect your M-Life points for it. It's a good deal. During the week, they are only open for breakfast. On the weekends, they extend through the mid-afternoon, so they're open for lunch, but this isn't a dinner buffet. Folks, I hope this video has been helpful to you, because what we try really hard to do here at Dine Drink Vegas, even when we're here in Gulf Coast Vegas, is bring you short and focused videos which give you the information that you need to plan your next trip. If we've done that, please support the channel by clicking like and subscribe. Also, every time you leave a comment in the comment section below, it helps YouTube show our videos to more people, and we love to hear from our viewers. Thanks so much, folks, and happy travels.